Hey guys, this is the Will Cody again, coming out to once again the video I started making before I got all these views and subscribers. White Noise Online, and all of y'all, I don't know, y'all been watching all my videos and subscribing to me, and of course I really think y'all deserve another White Noise video of me screaming and yelling. I made 5. This is episode 6, I think. Hopefully I get this right and not mess up again. So we're gonna play by ourselves. Gonna put on normal as usual. I haven't played this game in a long time now. So I kept on my light. As I said in my GTA video, Fast and Furious Part 1, I said I am sick. I don't feel like doing nothing, but I am gonna do this because y'all deserve a video. And I promised y'all I would do another White Noise video, so here you go. You got it. Y'all got what y'all been waiting for I think a month now. So we're gonna play as this guy. Oh, and guys, give this video a like if you like this camera angle. I've been working on some new camera angles, trying to make y'all have so I can see full screen and see all the buttons pressing. Oh God, we're playing this game again. What I call him? Oh yeah, I call him Timmy. Oh, heal it, tape. Oh yeah, we got part 1. Ah! I'm sick, Timmy. Timmy, I'm sick. Don't. Oh my God, I really shouldn't be yelling. Oh my God, man. Dumbo, I'm sick. Don't skill me. God, when is Timmy going to learn some manners, guys? If you're sick, you don't skill me. Because I'm probably going to, punch the TV. Oh no. Hang on, guys. Let me go fix something real quick. It was the red ring. Oh! Oh! Just let me fix it real quick. The light. I'm sorry, my curtain is red. It's not literally red. So, y'all see the red ring again around it? Oh! What did we do so wrong? I just went to go turn off my light. I don't understand. We literally stopped for 2 seconds. We turn around and we die. Timmy! Well guys, that's the end of my video. Wait, what? You don't want me to end it like that? Come on, I just went and turned off my light and then I'm sick, guys. Come on, don't do this to me. You know what, fine. That was a video anyways. Longer video. My God. Is this literally what I get? Huh? For doing this video for y'all? Y'all want another one? Wait, what, you want this video to be in parts? Like part 1, part 2? No! No. No. Wait, you're gonna unsubscribe if I don't? Okay, fine, this video will be in parts. Hopefully. If we die before I make the part 2. And yeah. Oh well. Y'all will get another episode, trust me. Wow, the last one was better. We actually found a sign. Man, the red ring, I see it. I literally see it, guys. I mean, it pops up every now and then. I mean, you kind of see it. Oh, wait. Let's fix this. Oh, I hear it. Oh, kill him. Oh, kill him. I hear it. Eh. Lee. Why did y'all ever suggest this game? Don't be around this corner! God. I'm not turning around. I have a bad feeling in my gut that if I turn around, he's gonna be there. Not gonna turn around. What, y'all want me to turn around? No. Guys, remember last time we turned around now? It only happened in the beginning of the video. Ha, he ain't there. That's not a good sound. Timmy. Okay. I'm so scared, guys, right now. I'm literally shaking. I haven't played this game in so long. Oh God. Why did y'all suggest this game? I would never know. I would never know. I would never know. Y'all just like me screaming and yelling. Why am I singing? Alright. Oh my God. Oh God. If this video reaches the 10-minute mark, it's gonna be the second video. There's gonna be a second video. It's gonna be a part 2. Oh my God, no, I don't want a part 2. But I did say in like the beginning part of episode 1, we are never gonna stop playing this until we beat it. So let's try and beat it. Yeah, let's try and beat it. Wait, we need to go that way. Oh my God, I got 2 minutes left until the 10-minute mark. Guys, I don't want to play this game. Well, I just suggest... Well, Major Gaming actually said if he beats me in GTA, I have to do another video. So y'all can go play Major Gaming for this. Well, I am. And plus he's been begging me to do a video on this. And sorry, y'all. I mean, I got some people who said, why did you stop making this video? Well, technically, I didn't feel like screaming and yelling in my video. Oh, like that. Timmy's not happy with me. So we'll go ahead back. Don't you do that. Don't. Nope. Nope. We're standing right here. We're standing. Nope. We're standing right here. Standing right here. Is he still there? Oh, John. I need you to move. Move. I need to go over there. I said close is clear. Come on! Ha! Take that, you green looking weird thing wherever you are. Stop. You know what? Oh, I'm a chicken. Huh? You ain't gonna do nothing. Okay, probably you. Alright, here, let's do this. Oh God! Oh! No! I didn't mean to do that. I meant to like turn around and run, but he spawned too. He spawned, and as soon as I turned around, he kind of stopped me. I was going to turn around and run. Well, y'all got me to scream a lot. Y'all got me scared. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just so scared when I play this game. If I don't play a skill game for a long time, I'm probably gonna be dribbling, skilled, and all that. My God. Well, that was fun. That was fun. Barnos Online. Best game ever. Oh my God. There will be an episode 7 coming soon. I don't know when, but I will do another one. Hopefully with Major Gaming this time. And Major, if you're watching this video, you all going to do it with me. You're not going to chicken out like I did. And we all going to play on Bunker though. I hate jump scares so much. Bye. Here's the outro.